Hello all! Today we will learn about action verbs. Do you know what action verbs are? Action verbs are words that describe a physical or a mental action. A physical action like eat, write, walk. And mental action like think, dream, forget. Action verbs show what a person, animal, thing, or a force of nature can do. Look at these examples. Claire took the car. The rabbit runs quickly. The wind blows. Took, runs, and blows are action verbs. Action verbs are also known as main verbs in a sentence. For example, Emma ate the whole pizza. Emma is the subject or the doer of the action. Ate is the main verb. It is an action done by Emma. And the whole pizza is the object or the receiver of the action. Here's a tip. To find the action verb in a sentence, you have to look at each word in it and see if it is an action that can be done. Here's more examples. I see the birds flying. See is the action verb and the main verb in this sentence. The dog barks. What does the dog do? Barks. They play outside the house. What do they do? Play. This is an action. Ian dreamt of his father. Dreamt is the action verb. It is a mental action. I told you what happened. Told. Is it an action? Can I do it? Yes. To tell is also an action. All is clear? Then take this quiz. You have to identify the action verb in the following sentences. Write down your answers, and when you're done, you can check the answer key. This will be all for today. Thank you for your time.